We are in a sniper rifle factory. They make weapons for Cheytec. This is incredible. And this guy's a potential investigator. Look at these things. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cool.
I finally got somebody that can heat treat the receivers. And then our barrels, see, they're unique in themselves because they have to be ground between centers, then chrome, and then ground again. And then this has to be honed so that the barrel slides into it. They're all tactical takedowns. Okay. Well, I couldn't find anybody to do it. Now I got a company in Salt Lake. The guy can do everything for me. So I can just go there, get them done. It's only 4 hours away.
It's a successful gun show, I'd say.
Oh my goodness.
Well, I had the appointments made the next day, so I could go out and call on it. But yeah, we sold 5 guns at the show too. We take orders.
Oh, okay. Right on. That's so cool.
My mom's cousin is a gun blacksmith. So, is video allowed? Okay. I'm just, yeah. I'm really, I'm a gun nut.
You have to see him shot or go out and shoot him. You know, because like I say, I go out maybe twice a month. I pick one of the older guys with me, you know, and I both.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. All the magazines, look at the size of those magazines. Okay, that's my finger next to the magazine. That's how large the rounds are. Those look like 50 caliber rounds. And there's this table over here with all these weapons completed. These are like, oh my gosh. AK-47 over there. I gotta be careful turning around. That looks like the Cheytec M200, but he said there's no such thing as the M200, so I'm just gonna call it the Cheytec Intervention Sniper System. Yeah, buddy. All those magazines. Okay, this is like officially like the coolest thing I've ever seen.